In this video, we will talk about 10 general desires or expectations that some women might have but may feel shy about expressing. So let's begin the video. 1. Emotional connection. Many women appreciate emotional intimacy and a deep connection in their relationships. They may desire open communication and the sharing of feelings. 2. Respect and appreciation. Women often want to feel valued and respected for who they are. Expressing gratitude and acknowledgement for their contributions can be significant. 3. Quality time. Spending meaningful, quality time together is a common desire. This might involve engaging in shared activities, having meaningful conversations, or simply enjoying each other's company. 4. Affection and romance. While this can vary from person to person, many women appreciate displays of affection and romantic gestures that make them feel loved and cherished. 5. Support and understanding. Feeling supported, both emotionally and in pursuing personal goals, is crucial. Women may want a partner who understands and encourages their aspirations. 6. Communication about feelings. Women might desire a partner who is willing to openly discuss feelings and concerns. Creating a safe space for open communication is key. 7. Surprises and thoughtfulness. Thoughtful gestures, surprises, and small acts of kindness can go a long way in making women feel special and appreciated. 8. Shared responsibilities. Equality in household responsibilities and decision-making is important. Women may want a partner who actively participates in shared tasks and decisions. 9. Trust and security. Building trust and creating a sense of emotional and physical security within the relationship is often a fundamental desire. 10. Encouragement for self-care. Women may want encouragement to prioritize self-care and well-being. This could include support for personal hobbies, rest, and relaxation.